In this video, we'll be showing you how to earn money from Binance through staking. So we're going to show you how to stake. So first of all, you want to open your Binance app. So I have mine here. I'm going to click on it. And of course, this is the dashboard. And we have at the bottom here, home, markets, trades, futures, and wallets. So we're going to click on wallets. And here we're currently in the overview and we have some options at the top here. We can access these options by tapping on them, or we could slide them from left to right. So we're going to keep swiping until we can see earn. And so we're currently in the earn tab of our Binance app. We're going to look for another button here which says earn. So we're going to click on earn. And here, this is the earn area of Binance. Well, there are different options here, but since we're showing you how to stake, we're going to scroll down. And down here, you can see ETH staking. And it basically helps you to understand a little bit about staking. It says earn ETH staking rewards while helping to secure the Ethereum network. So that's exactly what you're doing. By staking some of your coins, you're helping Ethereum network to be more secure. And then you get some of the proceeds of the profits that they make. So we're going to click on ETH staking, and then you're going to see the rate per annum. And if you click on this little icon here, it's going to give you the details till date, and you could see how well it's performing. Of course, here it wrote 3.11%, and then you have here 2.96%, but this is crypto and things could really change quickly. So you have the option now to stake your ETH. So when you click on stake ETH, you're going to select the amount of ETH that you have. If you want to stake all of it or any amount you like to stake, you could go ahead and click on stake and click on the amount you'd like. And when you click on it, you're going to see the details for your staking, and then you could click on next and confirm the transaction. Now, this is how to earn money on Binance through staking.